Hello po, excuse me po. Ate, do you follow UST Tiger TV?
Yes po.
Pwede po makita yung proof?
Oh my God. Nakabahan ako. Yeah.
Ayun, nakafollow si ate. Perfect. Okay, please introduce yourself, your name, and your college.
Hi everyone, I'm Ella Enriquez. I'm from CICS and I am a third year student.
Okay, so ang next question ko for you today is 50 pesos or mystery gift?
Mystery gift.
Mystery gift? Dahil dyan, congratulations at ikaw ay nanalo ng 100 pesos voucher from Dairy Queen!
Thank you po. Gusto ko pa naman ng ice cream today kasi mainit.
Perfect, perfect. I think may Dairy Queen somewhere around UST ngayon.
Please follow UST Tiger TV on their sock meds. Nakalagay pa.
Ayan.